Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Motorola Moto E XT2052 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, use a suction cup to create an opening. And then insert a plastic cup pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Please note that the fingerprint sensor is attached to the back cover. The easiest method to disconnect the button is to gently push the sensor button after applying some heat. Next, gently take out the back cover by holding the fingerprint button. Next, pull out the logic board frame with the lens by undoing 11 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug from the logic board. Next, remove the not working battery from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the battery. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a sharp pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. And once you have some space, use a pry tool or something similar to lift the battery. This process will take time, so be cautious. Next, clean the battery surface. Next, place the new battery with adhesive. Next, secure the board frame with the lens by adding 11 screws. Next, ensure it has enough glue before installing the back cover. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Be gentle with the fingerprint sensor while installing the back cover. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.